Hello, welcome to our lightning talk, where we will demonstrate our automated temporary ID dispenser. Here is a brief overview of our team and our dynamic. So as RIT moves on to phone-based IDs, less students are showing up to the Makerspace with a physical ID. We are working with the Shed to design and prototype a machine that will be able to uniquely identify the user through NFC phone scans before dispensing a card that can be used for all machines in Makerspace. When the user is finished, they will return this card to our dispenser for reuse. Our stakeholders are interested in having a dispenser that will be able to identify a user using an NFC scanner before linking a UID to a card and dispensing it. These cards will then be returned to the machine where it will be recirculated and have its data set for reuse. The kiosk must be tamper-proof and secure to prevent any unauthorized access and have alerts in case of errors to alert staff. Due to the volume of students that pass through the makerspace, we've designed the dispenser to be able to store 200 cards, as well as being able to dispense and recirculate over 1,000 cards for students all semester round. Our solution was to design a card cradle that will utilize a single slot to dispense and accept any returned cards. RFID scanners will be the main method of identification that triggers this dispensing and student card association. Once activated, the cradle will be moved down via a lead screw to deposit a card onto the conveyor belt, where it will be associated with a UID and dispensed to the user. When the card is ready to be returned, the conveyor will receive the card and place it below the cradle before the lead screw lowers the cradle, accepts the card back into the stack before returning to its neutral position for reuse. The electronic subsystems were designed for easier connections and modularity for any rework in the future. We also worked with the Shed in order to develop the software and API communication needed to implement card association and tracking. Thanks to our collaboration with the Shed, we were set on a priority queue with Makerspace 3D printers, allowing us to experiment and design the prototype more freely. This allowed us to make changes and have printed prototypes in a timely manner. With these prints, we refined tolerances for better card handling and consistency, as well as fitting all our components in a compact design. We'd like to thank our client, Jim Heaney, for taking the time to meet with us and giving us this opportunity to work with RIT. We'd also like to thank our mentors, Mark Manuni and Mavis Irwin, for guiding us throughout the entire process. Thank you.